morning, guys. So currently I'm here at Barotac Nuevo, so we will try to do a walkthrough of the public market, which is actually impressive because it's have been renovated, and currently it's probably the cleanest so far in Iloilo. So what we have here is like a price of the commodities currently inside the market. So we'll do a quick walkthrough of their market. So I think on this side is, to my right is fruits and yeah, mostly fruits, and to my left is, I think, the meat section. And then we have here the veggies section to my right currently, and then some of the assorted vegetable and section. So moving on. Try to go around on the currently open section because the section right here is, I think, still being built at the moment. So I'll do a video later on the current open sections. So this one right here is still being built. So probably I'll just do a circling path. We'll go on this vegetable section first. So this right here is, I think, an open air section. You have the high roof. So this right here is the, I think, the fish section. dried fish. So I think this is the main entrance right here. Then you have something like a food court area. So there are something like small stores or stalls with clothes. Morning. So I think I could say more than 70% of the market is complete. So this section here on the second floor is not yet finished. On the left we still have some vacant spaces. Okay, so I guess that's just about it for now, guys. Till the next update. Thank you for watching.